Hello, my name is Alan Mucklow and I'm the Managing Director of the UK Sales and Service Operation here at Mazak Europe. On the 28th of September we'll be showcasing our facility as part of the National Manufacturing Day. And for young people wanting to get into engineering, want to understand engineering and manufacturing, it's a fantastic opportunity to come along and see what careers are available across the whole spectrum of engineering, from manufacturing, design, technology, marketing, sales, and all those areas that support world-class manufacturing. Apprenticeships are available here, and I'd urge you to come along and just see what's available and maybe tweak that interest for future career opportunities you may want to pursue.